Qwen just did a major update to their deep research agent. Now they have combined 3 different agents to allow you to do deep research, but also the output you get is no longer just text, just a report. You get actually a website built using Qwen 3 Coder automatically, but you also get to create a podcast with it. This is a major upgrade because you can create content from this deep research agent completely for free right now. This is the closest I have ever seen a company come to Notebook LM from Google, which is able to create podcasts and is also able to create actual videos with the deep research queries you do. So let's try this out. All we have to do is go to chat.qwen.ai and select the deep research feature. So let's create a report. We write our query. For example, I want to learn about the recent developments of generative AI. The model is going to start by asking us specific questions. So first, what specific aspects of recent developments are we interested in? Let's write industry. For the second one, we want to focus on commercial. And the third one, we want to focus on coding. We give these answers to the deep research agent and it starts to research. Already 2 or 1 month ago, this agent got an improvement. It started to conduct even deeper and better research. And we can see it working live right now by first creating a research plan, and it identifies the key AI coding tools and players. It visited 27 URLs, super fast. And by scraping these, it identifies the recent tools and market trends. And we can see it working live. So I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to jump to the result and I'm going to show you how you can generate a web page out of this. So your reports are no longer PDFs and you can soak your supervisors or any client you have by showing them an actual website with their query. Also, I'm going to show you how you can generate an actual podcast out of this so you could use it for content creation. Think of it like asking it to search for something historic, something new to teach, and you create a podcast out of it, use it on the back end to create an educational video and post it on YouTube. This could make you loads of money if you really find a niche topic that could benefit from this kind of tools and usages. And again, the greatest part is Alibaba and Qwen gives this to us completely for free. It's super easy to use and it's also super fast. What I really love is that it's able to actually use code while creating the report, so it can do a little bit of data analysis on the back end. Also, it's very fast to scrape the web and find results to our queries. Let's also see while we wait what it has done. So here we can see a report generated and now we're going to be able to see the website that was created by Qwen 3 Coder, which is one of the most capable open source coders. And look at this website, it's pretty amazing. And it has all of the information the user asked. And you can deploy this website and share it with other people super easily. Of course, there is a watermark for this, but that's pretty fine. And just by clicking these links, you can generate a podcast out of it by selecting the voice that's going to be used and boom, it generates a podcast out of this. This is pretty incredible. Like it starts to feel like content creation is really becoming something insanely easy to do. And I gotta say, I've never seen an agent, a deep research agent, do all of these tasks. Like it's pretty insane. This is going super deeply inside the whole analysis. By the way, what I want to tell you is that I have a free school community where we have multiple courses from mastering AI automations with NA10, mastering coding with AI agents, mastering image generation, video generation, the different new AI models that come out, as well as also we've got an introductory Python course for people that are interested in learning coding, especially on the field of machine learning and AI agents. So this is for free for you to join, and the link for it will be down below in the description. It's 100% free, no strings attached, you don't have to pay anything, and this is where we can build a beautiful community where we can all interact and progress together. So the agent has finally responded with the actual PDF that was generated. We can click here to view it or download it. So here we can see a preview of this agent's responses with citations. This looks pretty nice. Also, it actually captures all of the latest informations, which is beautiful to see. It also gives us a table of the competition and all of that beautiful stuff. And also it gives us the references here so we can cross-check or even search deeper. Now, if we click on create, we can go and click web dev. And this is going to generate a web page preview out of our query. So let's see what this model is going to create from this beautiful PDF, which is a 8 to 9 pages PDF with about 55 different sources. So the website is ready for us to preview, and here we can see the preview loading. We can also toggle a full screen preview of the website, and we can also see its code, which is quite large. It's about 700 lines of code. Also at the same time, I can click to generate a podcast. We can check the host and the guest. This allows us to set the voices. So I'm going to go with the defaults because it doesn't really matter, and I click to generate the podcast. So this is how the website looks. It's loaded and we can see generative AI in coding industry. This is a really nice looking website. We can see all of the details here. And of course the website is not working perfectly. I think this is due to me being on Brave browser, which is not very well used with Qwen. Okay, so we're going to see it in a preview here. The website is not working perfectly. I think they have done some kind of mistake with the engineering inside of it, but we can click the deploy button to deploy the website. So it gives us this link. Hopefully we can open it up on a new page and it's going to work easier than the integrated chat window. And this is like the website with all of the information. I really love how Qwen image was used to generate all of these things. This looks kind of nice. It shows us the leading tools and the analysis that has been happening. That's great. And those tabs are not working perfectly, but I'm okay with it. It's not perfect, but it's a first step towards something very nice. And also the podcast was generated, so let's listen to it.
All right. So I was just scrolling through some tech news this morning, and honestly, AI coding tools are blowing up, like everywhere.
Oh, totally.
Yeah.
It's not...
Okay, so this voice of the girl is so slow and so boring and very annoying. You can also download the audio, which is nice to see, but I'm going to go ahead and speed it up just for demonstration purposes.
just GitHub Copilot anymore, right? Feels like every other week there's a new AI-first IDE popping up. Cursor, Windsurf, I can't keep track.
Yeah, and the wild part is, they're not even pretending to be regular editors now.
Right. Whoa.
Cursor's basically VS Code with an AI soul. You know what I mean? Oh.
It's like, hey, remember when we used to write code line by line? Yeah.
Okay, so this is really interesting. It seems like they tried to put some kind of feelings inside the podcast, so it's kind of interesting. I have to say it's not perfect yet, but I think it's going to get only better from here on out. So this is the new deep research agent from Qwen. I think it's a tremendously nice step towards the right direction. Of course, there are a lot of issues associated with it. It's not yet perfect, but I think in the future it's going to just get better on from here on out. So hopefully you found this interesting. Make sure to check it out and let me know if you like it or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.